Hello everyone, this is Jen and welcome to my channel. So I'm here to do a Sterling ink unboxing. I skipped their subscription for a few months because I had extras from previous boxes and I wanted to see if for 2024 I wanted to continue going on from here forward because I have started Graceful Muse subscription box. So as soon as I get my Graceful Muse papery subscription box, I will do a comparison. And I'm trying to figure out if I want both of those because you can't skip them, or if I'm just gonna do one or the other. So let's go ahead and dive in and see what's in here for the month. So December has already passed, so this was billed in November, so this is for January of 2024. And it's a pretty midnight blue. I already like the colors. So very pretty. And actually, it kind of reminds me of the colors from Cocoa Daisy just a little bit. Let's go ahead. I get the $35 subscription? Yes, $35 subscription. And there's a $50 one and a $20 one. So I'm gonna go ahead. I will start here. And I already see there may be some changes for 2024. So we will open the freebies last. And then let's see if I can scroll in just a little bit. So first off, you get this pretty, oh, this is already pretty. This pretty flowers. You get a sheet of the flowers here. This is really pretty. It looks almost like the nightlife type thing. Type theme. It's very pretty. So there's the fireplace there. This looks like a mantle or a buffet dresser type deal. Has candles. Here's a bed, and this almost looks like it has windows and like a little seating area. This is very different. Wow. Really pretty. Lots of windows, a staircase. It definitely looks like bringing in the new year. For 2024, I actually want to use like more pastel colors. So I'm going to see how I can bring this in with maybe some extra pinks or something. But it is pretty. I love midnight blues. So pretty. And then here's some more decorative. It's a mix of flowers and then like the staircase and the fireplace. It's very pretty. And then flowers. It is a very dark collection. And I think you get 2 of these. Yep. Which I am happy about. And this is new, and it's probably because of her planner, but I like it, huh? So here you have the months, weekdays. This is the date numbers for, it says for monthly overview spread. Date numbers for weekly overview spread. So yeah, this has to be, it says, oh, sampler sticker sheet. Subscription date, sampler sticker sheet, and weekday stickers for weekly overview spread. So she must be doing this because of her planners. Wow, it's very pretty, but I could still use it. I did not get her planner, but it's still versatile enough. And then the vellum. we will look at the vellum last. So we're gonna look at the date stickers, which I like these for my undated planner. I'm using a lot of undated planners, or I'm gonna need to redate some planners. And then here's some more days of the week. And then let's see the vellum. This is actually really pretty. So she's sticking with the B6 size, which is good because I will be using B6. And if you want to cut it down to A6, you can also cut it down or to whatever size you need it. Or you can even add it, probably if you want A5, just add it to like a white vellum or white piece of paper, and you could cut it down to A5, and you can still use that even in an A5 planner. And here, wow, that is so different. It's really pretty. Has kind of like, I guess like kind of like a galaxy theme as well. Mixed in here. And then last but not least, let's check out the freebies. Actually, I will put this here so you can see. So you get a beautiful vellum style. So you can get matte or vellum. I have her vellum stickers. Then you get these tabs for the month. And more stickers with that theme. Then the January. And then like a month vellum sticker. And then this is like her card. Business card. I like how she does that though, so you can use it in the spread. So that is the January kit. It is beautiful. As soon as I get the Graceful Muse Papery kit, I will do a comparison. And yeah, so you can see possibly if you would like to do like one of these subscriptions, you can see everything you get in it. So I am debating if I'm going to keep this one or the other one. So stay tuned for a comparison as soon as I get the Graceful Muse Papery. Thanks for watching. Bye.